Today I'm going to show you the 3 best exercises for learning brackets. I'm proud to say that the skaters in this video have already passed their skating skill test with brackets just by working on these exercises. Exercise number 1. Gliding on a small circle in bracket position. The first exercise focuses on gliding on a small circle while preparing your upper body and free leg for the bracket turn. Getting into the correct position is the most important step to executing a proper bracket. The small circles make this exercise more challenging, but they also help you achieve a deeper edge and a stronger twisted position, which will improve your brackets much faster. We'll start with a forward outside 1-foot glide on the circle. Your free leg should be behind, slightly bent, turned out and pointed. Your shoulders should be twisted in the opposite direction of your movement. So when you're gliding on a forward outside edge, your shoulders should face outside the circle. Keep your back shoulder checked, hips aligned, and your skating leg bent. Look in the direction of your movement and hold your balance as long as you can. Then repeat the same exercise on the opposite leg. Now switch to a forward and side edge with your free leg in front, turned out and pointed. Twist your shoulders outside the circle while keeping your skating knee and ankle bent. Hold your glide as long as possible before repeating on other leg. Moving on to backward outside glide on a small circle with your shoulders now face into the center of the circle. Twist your upper body into the circle, keeping your free leg behind, slightly turned out and pointed. Maintain a strong bent knee and ankle for balance and control. After that, repeat same exercise in the other direction. Finally, on the backward inside edge, your upper body should be still twist into the circle and you should look in the direction of your movement. Keep your free leg behind, slightly bent, turn out and pointed. Keep your skating knee and ankle bent for stability. This exercise teaches you to set up the correct bracket position before the turn, helping you develop control, edge depth, and balance. When you practice this exercise, it will improve your bracket quickly and make them feel more natural. Exercise 2. 2-foot bracket preparation. In this exercise, we will glide on 1 foot in the bracket position, but place the free leg down to turn on 2 feet. This helps bridge the gap between gliding in the correct position and executing the bracket on 1 foot. You can place the free leg down before, during, or right after the turn, gradually improving control and balance until you are ready to turn fully on 1 foot. Start on a forward outside edge in the same bracket position from the first exercise. As you approach the turn, slightly straighten your skating knee and ankle. Place your free leg on the ice and complete the turn on 2 feet. Glide on 2 feet after the turn. Repeat on other leg and then start on forward inside bracket. Glide on a forward inside edge with your free leg in front. Go down, up, down, bend into the glide, extend slightly into the turn and then rebend after. Turn outside the circle just like in a regular forward inside bracket. When transitioning to backward brackets, the key difference is the direction of the turn. In forward brackets, you turn outside the circle. In backward brackets, you turn into the circle. Follow the same steps for backward outside bracket, gliding on 1 foot, placing the free leg down, turning on 2 feet. Repeat both directions and then do with backward inside bracket same exercise. Look in the direction of your movement, glide on 1 foot, bend your knee and ankle, place your free leg down, slightly straighten your knees and ankles during the turn, and then bend again and glide on 2 feet after the turn. This exercise helps with counter twist during the bracket for better control, checking your shoulders and hips before and after the turn to maintain alignment, developing the proper down, up, down motion just like a 2-foot turn on a circle, and improving knee and ankle coordination, making the transition to a 1-foot bracket smoother. Now we're moving to the third exercise, bracket into the pivot. In this exercise, we'll combine a bracket turn with a pivot. After turning on 1 foot, you will immediately place your free leg into the toe pick, creating a pivot motion. This drill is excellent for improving edge depth, especially on the exit, and for reinforcing shoulder control after the bracket. Since this is a challenging exercise, you may want to first practice pivots separately. You can find a helpful pivot tutorial by clicking the link above or checking the description below. First, we will start with forward outside bracket into backward inside pivot. Glide on the forward outside edge, preparing for the bracket. As you turn, place your free leg into the toe pick, creating a forward outside pivot. Keep your free leg on the toe pick throughout the turn while your skating leg completes the bracket. This transition into a backward inside pivot on the exit. Then we're going to do forward inside bracket into backward outside pivot. Glide on the forward inside edge in the bracket position. After turn, place your free leg onto the toe pick. This transition into a backward outside pivot while keeping your free leg behind you. Focus on aligning your shoulders with your hips throughout the movement. Repeat in the other direction. Then we start on the backward outside bracket into forward inside pivot. Glide on the backward outside edge, preparing for the bracket. After turning, place your free leg into the toe pick to create a forward inside pivot. Keep your free leg straight and your skating leg bent, gliding around the circle. Repeat same exercise in other direction, and then start on the backward inside bracket into forward outside pivot. Glide on the backward inside edge, setting up the bracket turn. As you turn, place your free leg behind into a forward outside pivot. This exercise develops deeper edges, especially on the exit, reinforce proper knee and ankle usage after the bracket, helps maintain free leg control, ensuring it stays in the correct position, and improves shoulder alignment before and after the bracket for better control. By combining brackets with pivots, this exercise strengthens your ability to control turns while maintaining balance and flow. These 3 exercises will help you develop strong controlled brackets by improving your edge depth, body positioning, and overall balance. By practicing the bracket glide, the 2-foot bracket transition, and the bracket into the pivot, you will build the confidence and technique needed for clean, effortless brackets. Be patient, focus on your edges, and keep practicing. For deeper and more detailed tutorials, check out my video course Figure Skating Foundations, which is now live on my website styleskating.com. This course is perfect for beginner skaters looking to build a strong foundation from their very first steps on the ice to mastering basic jumps and spins. Whether you are new to skating or want to refine your skills, this course will help you progress with confidence. Visit my website styleskating.com to learn more and sign up. Join my YouTube membership to get priority replies to your comments, professional skating advice via email, and exclusive members-only videos on demand. Sign up and take your skating to the next level. Thank you for joining me today, and I see you in the next video.